In front of me is a General Mobile GM5 Plus, and I'll show you how to insert a SIM card and memory card into the device. So you will need, well, the SIM card, the memory card, as I have right here, and a little pin eject tool or SIM eject tool. Could be the one that came with the device or any kind of paper clip that will fit in there. So as you can see, there is right here this little hole. You need something that will fit in there, and put it in there and just press it in, and the tray will pop out like so. So you can just take it out, and from here you can put in the memory card like this, and the SIM card also like so. Make sure it's flush. You can also have two SIM cards instead of a memory card, and you would just put the second SIM card this way instead, but then you can't have the memory card. So putting that in here like so, I'm just gonna slide it in there. Slide it all the way in till you hear the click, and now I need to put in the PIN number of the SIM card and let it unlock. And as you can see, I have the SIM card working, and the card should be working as well. There's only any way to show it. As you can see, the card is also being read from here. So everything is working. So this is how you put in the SIM card and memory card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.